Okay, let's try the GTS. Oops, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna have to put, I don't have where to put the camera, so I'm gonna put it here. Okay, I don't have the seatbelt on yet.
And 2 hands on the steering wheel, perfect.
It's in park.
Put it in drive. That's it.
Okay.
P is to put it back in park.
Okay, so it's ready to go?
Drive.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Save the best for last.
Yeah, just drop it all the way to the floor. And then all the way. I'm sorry, I got so excited. I'm used to driving on the road, not stopping, braking for the... It's just... it's my reflex. I don't stop, you know. I don't usually stop. I just turn the wheel like I'm driving on the road. So, well, here we go. Taycan Turbo S electric version. Electric car.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, I'm in drive. Yes. Massive acceleration. Fuck, I can feel my brain going to the back of my skull. Amazing. Insane acceleration. Insane acceleration. Electric version, it's like super fast, super quick. Like, I couldn't keep my foot in it. I can feel my brain going to the back of my head, you know. It was insane. Just insane. Insane, 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 insane. Okay, I guess the video's gonna end soon. Well, I'm gonna get a ticket.